Oh man, what's this?
You can zoom on the dent. Come on, man. Show the other side.
Hey, man.
Tell me about this car. What is this?
This is a 98 Honda Prelude. Originally Milano red, but as you can see, it's 5 reds. And kind of pink. Typical Honda, you know.
Man, on the Skyline wheels too?
This monster truck of a beast.
So this is your new project car.
Yep.
When was the last time you even had a project car?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, technically all my dailies were project cars.
Okay.
Well, I mean, a true project car was the EG, but that thing got smashed, front and back. This thing, as you can see, not too smashed. The back looks nice.
You know what? This was like the cheapest Prelude you could find in the area, right?
Yeah, and we had to wait a week to even make actual contact.
Yeah,
right, Alan?
it was a pain dealing with this guy.
He got a little creepy on that one too. So
Yeah. So yeah, here it is, Prelude. Pretty clean. Needs a little paint work, but
well, the outside is where all the ugliness is, but when you go inside,
the inside is clean.
the inside is immaculate.
Nice black interior.
Like
Power windows.
only
power
defect
locks.
is right here.
That's nothing. It's got the sunroof. Oh, it smells kind of musty in here.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh man, look at these seats though. I really like the pattern on them.
You have to change those.
Who needs Recaro confettis?
It's pitch black back here. This tint is so dark. But yeah, 5-speed manual. And
What was it, like 230 something thousand miles on it?
yeah, let's pop the hood. Can you open it? What do we got in here?
Oh, the sticks in the back.
Oh yeah.
In the trunk. Look at this.
H22.
Supposedly a built head.
Yeah, the guy was saying this head was like rebuilt and stuff.
Yeah, he said he used Type S parts on it. Supposedly new.
I don't know if I can believe him on
Valves.
that.
Quick
Yeah.
detach, hot, quick hot. We need to fix that.
Yeah.
Man, you know what was so funny though? We saw this hole right here,
After.
and we thought we screwed up. We thought there was like a hole in the block. Turns out it's just an inspection panel for the clutch, and there's supposed to be like a rubber plug over it. Like it looks like it was just cut out.
It probably is just cut.
From the factory though.
You're supposed to know. You're a Honda guy, Sam.
H series, man, the mysterious breed. Not many people know about them. Not many people. A lot of people run them, but they're not as common as a B series or a K series. Because you know everyone's K swapping the world right now.
I think you are too, right? Yeah?
Maybe.
Maybe?
We'll see if the price is right.
Okay. Alright, so what are you doing right now?
Right now we're switching out these giant winter setup Skyline wheels.
So
You can
we had to put these on after we made the deal.
Yeah, the guy sold the car without the wheels.
So we brought our own set.
And these didn't even fit on the car. We had to do like 3-point turns to make a little turn just like that.
On top of that, it rubbed so bad it kind of popped the fender out just slightly over here.
Yeah. So
But-
he had them. The car was pretty low, and he had skinnier tires, and which was fine for him. But when we put these on, this thing could barely turn without rubbing.
Yeah. Apparently it's on 2 sets of coils, so it's a really janky setup. But you know, they actually ride pretty well.
That's good. So what are these new wheels?
These new wheels, surprisingly, we got some Crown Vic wheels from what was it, a 97 is what it says back here. As you can see, has that JDM mesh look to it.
They actually look really nice.
And then the funny thing is, it's actually period correct to the car. Since these were from a 97 and the car's generation was 97 to 2001. So, keeping it period correct out here.
Look at that
You
dish.
see this done a lot. I don't see it too much anymore, but I
Yeah.
remember a lot of people used to run Crown Vic wheels.
It's kind of reminiscent when people used to run Enki 92s on everything.
Throwback, huh?
Yep. A little throwback nostalgic. You know, maybe we'll upgrade to some real baller wheels down the line, but for now, these will be the rollers.
These aren't baller, man.
Oh man. Speaking of baller wheels, I got something to show you guys later in the video. For now, let's just get these on.
Alright.
Dang, this guy's on flat rate.
Okay, these on coilovers. No idea what they are.
If anybody knows, let us know, because we don't.
Yeah, you can't even see, they're so
I
done.
know.
Whatever. We're probably gonna change them out anyways.
Yeah. Deciding on the actual setup.
Man, it's gonna poke. It's gonna poke.
It's poking.
It'll be fine.
Well,
It'll camera in once you lower it.
I don't know, Alan. We said that the same with the Skyline wheels.
We made it here.
We did. Just gonna put these wheels on for now, just to see the fitment, see what we need to adjust.
You know you're gonna put them hand tight first?
I'm lazy. I'm sorry. Sorry, master.
If you strip that stud out, I'm not gonna fix it.
It's okay. Excuse to go extend the studs. I could fix it. I've done them before.
Oh, that wasn't tight. Go back.
We'll just stop right there.
Is that all the way down?
No, it has a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like you have to pull the fenders out.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of camber. There's already some camber.
Yeah. Maybe try to get like a proper fitment on, but I mean it's the right look. Just not the right fitment right now.
Or we can get smaller tires.
45.
Like some 195, 45.
Yeah, 45 will probably look a lot better. Well, definitely clear.
Alright, stretch it.
I don't know.
Stretch it.
Let's stretch it.
Do we want to go for that look?
I'm about to stretch my tires like crazy.
We probably won't need crazy. We just need like just a little
You
bit.
just need like one size down.
Yeah. So what? Go down to a 40?
Oh, smaller width.
Yeah, that does look pretty good though.
It's just poke. It's just ridiculous.
That's okay.
You want to see poke?
This doesn't mean poke much.
Okay, you got flares. What?
All the way down.
Ooh.
Oh, this is a straight bumper. Or fender.
Yeah, the rear is pretty good fit.
Huh?
The rear is pretty good. It just needs a smaller tire, maybe a little more camber.
Definitely the 195s.
Front? Yeah.
We gotta bump that up just a bit. When we say just a bit, a lot.
Hey, it looks better in this one.
I don't know, this looks like it fits. The other side?
Yeah, you gotta make a little clearance, huh?
Yep.
Alright,
Great car.
the wheels are on. Look at this thing. Kind of dark. This is you.
It is me. It fits me, right?
All right, let's see it in the sun.
Question is, did we get everything right now? Right?
No, you're good for now.
You haven't heard anything?
Slight rub here. Slight rub in front. Yeah, this fitment though. Yeah, I think it should be good now.
The back is rubbing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. First ride in Prelude. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's rubbing.
It's rubbing hard. Good thing these tires are kind of on the way out. They're temporary. I don't know, Alan, what do you think? Turn back around?
We're already out here. If anything, we could turn around now, like somewhere close.
Gross. You hear those turbos? Diesel turbo. It ain't supposed to sound like that. Will be a good place to turn around. We're leaving hella smoke behind.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is bad. All right, Sam. What are you thinking right now?
We almost died. I forgot we don't have turn signals. And there was a big ass truck behind us. And we did a burnout in front of it. In the rear.
A rear wheel burnout? More like a rub.
Yeah.
Rub out?
Hey man, we left the smoke screen. The truck driver was probably confused as hell.
Yeah. Look how much this thing rubbed through. So, definitely gonna need more camber,
Skinnier tires.
smaller tires, and that should be good.
Yeah, hopefully.
For now, don't drive it.
Yeah, but
The fronts are okay though.
look at the fitment on this corner. Doesn't look too bad.
Looks nice.
But yeah, this is just the beginning. The wheels were necessary to get the car to point A to point B without dying too much, because the winter setups, they just couldn't turn.
Yeah, the winter setups are actually worse than this.
Granted, we had to do a little banging and trying to lift some ghetto coils, but we got them in for now.
Okay, hopefully next time you guys see this car, it'll be good.
It'll be good.
It'll be,
It'll
you
be
know,
mint.
running and driving.
We'll try to
Driving
get it
good.
mint.
Okay, so there's Sam's new project. It's just gonna keep getting better and better from here, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. So, I did mention that I got some new wheels. Should I show them? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know if they're ready for it.
I might as well show it. Here they are, brand new wheels. Psych. Okay, so these are Volk mesh, also known as the Volk hex mesh. As you can see, there's a hex in the middle. Dang, look how deep that is. So these are 7-inch lips. Same thing on the front, although I will be getting smaller lips in the front. I actually bought these wheels used from a local guy for a really good deal. And these are Love 20B built wheels. Another bonus is he gave me an extra 5th wheel. So I have 5 wheels. It's the same spec. This looks insane. Wonder how big a fender flares I gotta get.
You need a rocket bunny kit now.
Dang, Rocket Bunny.
Big one.
Yeah, I just love these big bolts. How it just reflects on a lip. I'm trying to catch up to this one. Think I'm almost there, right?
Getting there.
Hey, at least mine has an engine. Man, the machine shop still screwing around with the engine. Bad.
I could have been driving this whole summer, but it's just been here.
Yeah. Yeah, so I guess this is getting pushed to winter now.
And I guess whenever they get to it, they get to it.
Yeah, it's like not even a... Does it really even matter if you get it now? Yeah, it does. So, anyways, still waiting for that. Got new wheels for the Z. I'll be doing stuff to this fall, this winter. Now I know some people are gonna say, why are you gonna cut up this original Z car? It's not. This is all fiberglass.
Hey,
not-
they did a pretty good job.
Yeah. This whole rear end is fiberglass. As you can see here. So that's that. I'll see you guys the next time you do something, I guess.
Next time he gets some new parts, I guess we're gonna start seeing some previous stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, we're kind of doing things like out of order.
Out of order.
Out of order. Whoa, whoa. But yeah.
Sticker.
Oh yeah, you need a sticker. Little crew sticker. Oh, this windshield's so curvy. Basically, that sticker. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.